Hi guys, this is Saifur Rahman Azim and welcome back to another video of Creator Fact. After a long time, I have come again with a new video. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can block bad comments or including abusive types of word comments in your YouTube channel videos. So, coming up, it's very important thing that having a clear and concise comment section for your audience in your YouTube videos. If you have this kind of comments like abusing words and slangs and this kind of bad comments words in your video section, it will be irritated and disgusting or really frustrating for you, right? So we have to come our YouTube channel dashboard. After coming to our YouTube channel dashboard, then we have to go to settings section and then you can see general, channel, upload defaults, permission, community, agreement, this kind of different section of your channel. This is very important to set this kind of settings on your YouTube channel. We will go community section, and after come here you can see this kind of section like managing moderators, standard moderators, approved users, hidden users, and specific channels that can redirect to my content, and all of the end you can see here blocked words, right? It's the thing, all future comments containing or closely matching these words will be held for review. Live chat messages containing or closely matching these words will be blocked. If you have put some kind of words here, you will block this kind of comments on your YouTube channel videos automatically by YouTube algorithm. Okay, so let's see how we can do it. Okay, like we are putting here, I'm not saying, just you can follow the screen, then I'm giving some more. Okay, like we are using this kind of words. You can use your local languages, local words in your own language. Okay, that will be to work in your YouTube videos to blocking this kind of words in your comment section. It will be automatically work. You can enter comma or separated values to separate the words. Okay, you can also block links in your YouTube channel comment section or YouTube channel videos comment section. After by clicking block links, your URLs sent in live chat are already blocked. If you select this option, new comments with hashtags and URLs will be held for review. This settings doesn't apply to you, moderators, or approved users. Okay, these settings will not allow for you moderators and approved users. If you set some kind of man or people or users like moderator or approved users, this kind of rules will not be appropriated for that or will not be work for that. Okay, so in this section you can block links or not as you wish. Actually I not to do it. Okay, so you can do if you think it's really work for you or it's will really help for you making safe to your audience for comment section. Okay, so that's it. This is the thing how you can block this kind of disgusting words and irritating comments by block words in your YouTube channel section. After block words putting, you can save from here, and that's it. Okay, so this was the video. Now this kind of words will be blocked from your YouTube channel videos if someone and some users comments including this kind of words, that comments will be blocked or will be approved for your own using experience. Okay, so if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon to get our next upcoming videos. Bye bye.